Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. You have to start by open Peats audio application, and your headphones should be connected with the app. Then the application open for you the headphones menu, but if you are in the main menu, you need to tap at your headphones here at the device list. Then click at the three lines at the right top, and we have some problem here, so let me reopen the application. Sometimes it happens with these headphones. Okay, so now let's click at the three lines, and right here at the fourth line we have switch headphone prompt tone. But if you have Android, you will have the list with the languages. So if you have iOS, tap at this list, and if you have Android, you will see them. Now select the best one for you. Let's say I prefer Germany. I click on it and click confirm. Now let's check it, and now we use Germany. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!